Hello and welcome. Are you looking for ways to make $100 per day typing from home? Here are 3 legit jobs and platforms that can help, plus what you need to know to hit that goal. 1. We have transcription and captioning with Rev, Transcribe Me, and Go Transcript. These platforms pay per minute of audio transcribed. Rates vary, usually between $0.30 to $1.1 per audio minute, depending on audio quality, speed, and complexity. If you can transcribe a lot, say 300 minutes in a day, which is very fast, you could hit around $100, but more realistically, expect to make $40 to $80 for a solid day's work when you're building skill. Next, we have data entry and microtasks on platforms like Appen, Clickworker, and Mturk. These offer lots of small tasks, labeling, surveying, basic keying. Pay per task is low, but with volume, working many microtasks over several hours, you can accumulate decent earnings. Some users report being able to sustain over $100 a day if they accept bigger tasks and are very quick. Third, we have virtual assistant or remote chat support typing roles. These are higher pay gigs for people who can type fast, follow procedures, handle customer-oriented text work. Some roles pay $25 to $35 per hour, especially chat or message-based customer support roles, which if you work 4 to 5 hours, can reach or exceed $100. Now here are some tips to hit over $100 a day. Make sure your typing speed is high, around 60 to 80 plus words per minute, and accuracy is strong. Mistakes eat into your time. Work consistently, like several hours per day, and pick tasks wisely. Avoid getting scammed. Never pay to apply or to get started. Always check reviews, payment methods, and if the platform has a track record. And that would be all for today's video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one.